Hey YouTubers and Twitter users and Pinterest users. This is Marcus from Marquessmeubelkunst. Thanks for those who keep in touching down with me on Pinterest under Marquess Jones. So some of you have probably already seen the Nova project, which is my latest design. My design of furniture consisting of aluminium parts, aluminium furniture. In the back there is the coffee table, and this is the display stand. This is the main featured table. I made this first, and then I made the coffee table as as an addition, as an extra. Anyway, I thought I'd show you, everybody, what I'm up to. If you can see here, this is there's a slight line there. This is how I get it from the casting company. In fact, sometimes I've got to go to the casting company and sort of sand up and maintain quality, because it can be a little rough sometimes. But I'm very happy with them. There's a few holes here and there, but that can be remedied. By the time I've finished it, nobody will know. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you people know the stages that I go through to get it up to a good, highly polished stage. So you get it like this. It's a bit rough. It's a bit rough and tumbly. You know, it's not shiny or anything. And then let me just get one of these here. They're about 7 kilograms each, these things, so they're quite heavy. And if you see here, this has been sanded. I've got to go through several layers, several parts, so that I get a sort of smooth finish, and I can start to polish it and start to make it look like a mirror. Now you might be wondering what this stuff is here. I'm actually using metal resin to actually fill some sort of spots and that. And I've still got to sand it, know a few grades yet, so by the time I get down to that, that'll all be gone. And sometimes you tend to sand them out anyway, but I didn't want to take any chances because quality is very important. And of course, by the time I get to polish it, when I get to polish this thing, if there are any blemishes, I'll probably have to sort of finally file them away. Anyway, just a bit of information. At this point here, it's got to be where the glass is going to go, or the board. That's where it goes in there, like that. I'm going to pick this up and let's have a look at you. Yeah. Now the glass goes in. This is quite big now, isn't it? Glass goes in there, straight across, and then this zigzags all the way down here. And this piece is going for an exhibition in Germany in October, and hopefully we take it to Monaco World Luxury Exhibition, made in world. So this is one of the main pieces that we're going to be taking with us. It is an inspiration from the kukuri. It doesn't matter. It's what the client wanted. They liked the kukuri. They got one. And they said, we want something like it. Well, I said, look, it's perfect. It's perfection. I can't really improve on perfection, can I? So, you know, with a bit of and an and I said I would do my best to create something that had some energy that was similar to the kukuri. And this is one of the pieces that they said that they liked. And from that, I then made it. And now I've got to do all the bloody hard work and actually polish the thing, which I can assure you, it will take me about 2 days to do one of these things. That's 2 solid days to get it up to a very good standard, and that's a hell of a lot of work for one piece, I can tell you. Anyway, I'm not mumbling. I'm going to carry on. I've got to get on with some work. I just thought I'd keep you guys up to date with my latest product, my latest project. Like I said, some of you people from Pinterest have probably seen all what I've been up to. Yeah, you know what's going on. For those who don't, this is the first time, go and look up Pinterest, find my links, do the Twitter. If not, look under Pinterest under Marquess Jones, and you should find all my Pinterest pictures from start to finish for every project that I've done over the past few months, which is great. It shows you the history. It also gives you tips on how I made it, in case you want to make one yourself. But I can assure you, a thing like this is quite a lot of work. It's a lot of intense labour, and you've got to have a passion for this. You've got to really love what you're doing, and also seeing what the end result is at the end, to see you through all the hard times when it just seems to be too labour intensive that you just want to give up. Anyway, for those craftsmen and designers out there, hope you like this. Get touched down with me, and please give me some positive feedback. If not, don't bother. And if I don't see you again, have a good life. This is Marcus from Marquessmeubelkunst. See you all in the next video. Thanks a lot, everybody.